Safety in industry is all about protecting workers and machine operators. Today's industrial machinery is required to comply with today's strict safety standards, and Turck safety modules provide the necessary safety control to achieve this. Hi, I'm Tim Webster, and this is Industry Update Video. Turck's versatile safety modules can be used in two different ways. They can operate in larger safety systems as slave I/O modules or, in smaller applications, as a standalone safety controller. Turck has full safety modules where all I/O is part of the safety circuit, or hybrid safety modules that combine safety I/O and standard I/O in the same device. The hybrid modules are also I/O link controllers. The extremely robust potted IP67-69K modules are ideal for field mount applications, and they can entirely eliminate the need for a cabinet. They utilise robust industrial M12 connectors for fast, reliable commissioning and operation, even in challenging locations. Turck safety controllers can monitor all standard safety input devices. They provide the same safety functionality of traditional in-cabinet safety controllers, but they bring safety control out into the open, making safety installations faster, more reliable and more economical. As always, to find out more about Turck's field mountable safety modules, visit allthews turck.com.au. And thank you for watching. I'm Tim Webster.